What is the best way to practice the tin whistle? Are you curious about how to get the most out of your tin whistle practice? This charming instrument is a key part of Irish culture and music. Let's break down some effective ways to practice and improve your skills. First, start with the basics. Hold the tin whistle comfortably. Use your left hand to cover the top 3 holes and your right hand for the bottom 3. Make sure your fingers cover the holes completely to produce clear notes. Breath control is vital. Blow steadily and gently to create a consistent tone. Adjust your airflow to manage volume and expression. This will help you develop a beautiful sound. Next, learn simple scales and notes. Focus on finger placement to ensure you play in tune. Incorporate tonguing techniques by lightly touching your tongue to the mouthpiece. This creates a crisp sound. Practice slurring to connect notes smoothly. Once you feel comfortable with the basics, add ornamentation. Rolls, cuts, and crans are traditional embellishments in Irish music. These techniques bring your tunes to life and make your playing more expressive. Using traditional Irish tunes can make practice enjoyable. Try songs like Doolin Delight or John Brosnan's Polka. Break the tunes into small phrases. Learn them slowly before increasing your speed. Use sheet music or recordings to help with timing and rhythm. To refine your breath control, practice diaphragm exercises. This can help you add vibrato and dynamic expression to your playing. Regular practice sessions focusing on tone and fingering accuracy will steadily improve your skills. If you are traveling in Ireland, take the opportunity to practice in local settings. Visit pubs, music sessions, or cultural workshops. This exposure to authentic playing styles and community feedback can enrich your learning experience. Connecting with local musicians allows you to immerse yourself in Irish musical heritage. This blend of technical skill development and cultural immersion makes your practice both effective and meaningful. So grab your tin whistle and start practicing. With dedication and the right techniques, you will find joy in your musical journey.